Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a real life example slash training on and behind the scenes video publishing an ebook directly to Barnes&Noble Press. Okay, and so training for authors and also for independent publishers out there. So click on add the title and afterwards or create a ebook, Barnes&Noble, and then I'm going to click on ebook, click next. Okay, I have all the details here for a second. One second. I'm just going to come up how expert got to months. Okay. Barnes and Noble. Okay. Click next. It's taking some time. Okay. No, it's not a pre-order. Next. Prepare your interior file. 1 second. Does your interior file cover? No, it doesn't contain a cover. Like, does the book actually have the cover inside the pages? No, it's usually separate. So in that case, I say that. No. Processing your file. Okay, and again, the great thing about all these platforms, almost all of them, I've only come across one platform where you couldn't save the project. Like you had to do it in one shot, and it was just like, so I skipped that platform. I was like, what's the purpose of it? Like you gotta be able to save projects. You know, some platforms, but majority of platforms you can save. That's the whole great thing about it. You can save and come back to it. Review. I have reviewed and approved my manuscript. Okay, great. 1 second. Save and continue. Choose the default sample for the sample file is usually the first 10% of the book or whatnot, I believe. First 5%. Okay, save and continue. And now they're going to ask for the design file, right? And there you go. Upload your cover file. Sometimes I have to download the image. I have to resize the file because the file gets usually big. For Barnes and Noble, they require a smaller size. So I go to a website called something like resize file search, and one I found here, simpleImageResizer.com, and then I resize the file 50% size. Come back here and upload. Okay, processing your file. All right, I have reviewed and approved my cover. Save and continue. Subtitle. Okay, interesting. Just copy, and I'm gonna paste. Right, okay. Default description. Okay, I don't have a description right now. 1 second. I don't have a full description yet, but I'm just gonna use a temporary one, okay, real quick. Save and continue. Title, subtitle, description. There's two versions. One's a short version and one's a long version. The long version is the second one. The first one is short, and the second version is longer. Okay, 1 second. Hold on. Actually, it's here, but 1 second. I gotta fill in the details later, so I'm just gonna fill this out right now again, just for time purpose. I'm filling something out. Okay. Interesting. Audience, general adult, language is English, non-fiction instead of fiction, search categories, and I'm just gonna type in the keyword. Sometimes Barnes&Noble is a little bit different. They're really detailed. They have to. They have so many books. Okay, so I'm gonna do name. You pick up the 5 categories, by the way. So that's a fantastic one. Butterflies and moths. That's just exact. Um, biography. Nah. What? All kinds of categories. But I don't know if they have it here. If they don't, I'm gonna type in other keywords. Okay. All right, that's cool. I'm gonna type in insects, something like that, and then butterflies and okay. Wow. I just don't want to know why. Okay, that's another one. Insects and spiders as pets. Just pick anything similar, man. Close to it. Whatever bees is similar. They fly around, right? Insect bites and stings. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, insect 4. Another one. I'm looking for general. I'm looking for reference, but I don't see it right now, right? Let's just do this. Okay. And maximize 5. Okay, you always want to maximize and put up to as much as you can. They're allowed. Unless it's like Google, you have to do too much. Okay, so go like this. Keywords. I'm gonna type in moth, separated by comma, butterflies, um, moths, moths book. Okay, moth book. I mean, this is really detailed. A moth guide, moth HowExpert, HowExpert. This is so long. Butterfly instead of butterflies. Okay, I'm done. Same continue. Let's go. Let's go. Price. Now it's downhill from here. Easy. Save and continue. Are you kidding me? $9.90 instead of $9.99? Come on, dude. Go back. I want to. Come on. Go back. Sometimes, it's normal to make mistakes. This is a process again about author, categories, pricing, rights, and author information, editorial reviews. Let me go back for a second and put 99 instead of 90. Okay, 99. Save and continue. Okay. Do you want DRM? Yes. Is the content of this book in public domain? No. Do you have ebook ISBN? Yes. Enter the ISBN. The thing about ISBN here in Barnes and Noble, you have to get rid of the hyphens, or else you can't copy and paste it. So I'm going to do that. Come back here and put in that. Okay, save and continue. Let's show the brand. Come on. We're working together, cooperating. We're working, collaborating. Save and continue. All right, great. I'm not going to put on sale. That's the final publish button. In this case, on the lower right for Barnes & Noble. But again, this is saved. So fantastic. Anytime I want to come back and upload a new version, interior, I'll come here and upload. Cover, upload here. Go back to the book details and enter a new description and subtitle when I come up with a final decision. Again, before you publish, you have to come up with the final decision. In the meantime, before that, you have all the time in the world to just upload a temporary version and get back to it and come back to it. Okay, so that might be a quick tip of the day for you guys out there who want to become authors and have a book inside of you and you want to publish, but something's holding you back. Don't worry about it. Technically speaking, you can see right here, you can come here, set it up first, draft first, because a lot of these platforms allow you to save a project, right? They let you save a project before you upload the final publish button. Okay, so there you go. Take one baby step at a time, and then the last step to publish will be easier. That's a quick tip of the day. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about self-publishing as an author and or publisher for all genres, nonfiction, fiction, and or low content, no content publishing, because I do have experience in all those genres as an independent author and publisher, click the link below the video. Check out my recommended resources. Check out my online course, Done For You service, or an opportunity to buy from my publishing brand, HowExpert. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.